Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you have encountered unidentified network message, then watch this video for the solution. Now the first thing we need to do is to reset the modem router and then to restart it. So we do that by looking for the reset button at the back of the modem router, and once you locate that button, keep it pressed for around 20 seconds and then release it. This will reset the modem router, and then you need to unplug it from the power supply, and after around 30 to 40 seconds you need to plug it back again. Now if that too doesn't work, then we need to run the network troubleshooter. So right click on the start button, go to settings, click on system, click on troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters, and then we will run the network and internet troubleshooter. Now if that too doesn't solve the issue, we need to run some commands in command prompt. So we will open command prompt in the administrator mode, click on run as administrator, and then we will copy these commands one by one. So this should be ipconfig. Yes. So I will copy this. You will find these commands in the description of the video. So go to command prompt in the elevated mode, yes, and copy this and paste it. And we'll do this one by one. I'm not copying and pasting all the commands here because I want to keep the video short for your convenience, but you need to copy and paste all these commands one by one, which will reset the network. And then if that too doesn't work, then we will uninstall and reinstall the drivers. So for that, we need to go to device manager, and we will look for the network adapter. Right click on this, click on uninstall and click on uninstall again. Then you will click on action, add legacy hardware, click on next, next. No, click on install the hardware that I manually select from a list. All right, and then click on next, and then you will come to this common hardware types. So you want to look for network adapters. Okay, since we uninstalled it, we are reinstalling it now. So click on next, highlight it and click on next, and then we'll have to see which network adapter we have to use. For that, we'll go to Realtek. So I uninstalled the MediaTek adapter, so it's the same company as Realtek. So for that, I will click on Realtek and see I have an Asus. So my laptop is an Asus, so I immediately know that this is the version I need. So I'll click on that, click on next, and then click on next, and it will install the adapter. And this should solve your issue. You should be able to connect to the internet. But if this too doesn't work, then you have one option which will definitely work 99% of the time, and that is to uninstall your recently installed Windows update. So I'll right click on the start button, go to settings, go to Windows update, and then I will click on update history, and these are the uninstall updates. And now these are the updates that I have installed. So there are 5 updates. Now I have to see exactly when did this problem start occurring, or when did my network is not being detected, or I am having this unidentified network message. So from that day onwards, you should uninstall the updates. Now why I'm saying this, because sometimes these Microsoft updates, when they install themselves automatically, it causes such network issues or messages to pop up. So click on uninstall, uninstall again, and then just restart the computer by clicking the start button, the power button, and restart, and your network should start connecting, and you no longer have to face this issue. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.